Hello and welcome to AI Horizon. I have learned context engineering, so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to explain what is context engineering, why it exists, who needs it, and how to actually use it. I don't want you to just watch it, I want you to learn. There will be quick quizzes throughout the video. If you can answer them all, you will be an officially certified context engineer by the end of this video. So, what is context engineering? Let's define it simply. Context engineering is designing smart instructions and information that give a large language model exactly what it needs at the right time in the right format to do its job well. Think of large language model LLM as a computer. The model itself is a CPU. The context window is its RAM. Context engineering is like packing that RAM perfectly. No wasted spaces, no missing information. Prompt versus context engineering. You have probably heard of people saying context engineering is the new prompt engineering. Well, that's pretty true. Prompt engineering is writing clear messages to chat with an AI. Example, asking ChatGPT which running shoes to buy, going back and forth casually. Context engineering is different. It's used when building full AI application like AI agents that handle customer service, sales calls, and code generation, or any other task. You might ask why there is the difference? Because you can't just have a friendly back and forth with these apps. They need a complete instruction manual upfront, covering all scenarios they'll face, like billing question, login issues, refund requests, people losing their patience with it. At some point, your prompts get so large that a structure with code like XML tags and markdowns that stopped being prompt and become a context engineer. Well, if you watch this far, let's do a small quiz test, right? Why do you need context engineering when building AI agent instead of just prompt engineering? Drop your thoughts in the comment below, and I hope you'll all get this one right. The building block of AI agents. To understand context engineering, we need to know what makes up an AI agent. Every useful agent has 6 core components. Number 1, model, the brain that could be OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, or open source. Number 2, tools for external actions like accessing calendar and sending emails. Number 3, knowledge and memory, storage and recall from past chats or domains specific information. Number 4, audio/speech to interact naturally with the user. And number 5, guardrails, safety rules preventing bad behavior. You don't want your agent to swear at someone or use politically sensitive content, for example. And finally, number 6, the orchestration, the control system to deploy, monitor, and improve agent. Think of these components as like if you were to build a car. You have the engine, wheels, chassis, steering system, and electronics. You can choose between different styles of motors, electric motors, sports tires, luxury interior, but you still need all the key components to make it a functional car. Now imagine giving an alien these parts of the car without instruction. They wouldn't know how to assemble them into a working vehicle. That's what a context engineering does. Create the detailed assembly manual that tells an AI agent how each tools can take part, memory, workflow fits together. Without it, the system doesn't drive smoothly. Quiz number 2. What are the 6 essential components of an AI agent? List as many as you can in the comments without going back into the video. Let's take a look at context engineering prompt. To see context engineering in action, let's look at a simplified version of Research Planner Agent from Prompt Engineering Guide, the links of which will be in the description. Imagine you're building a system that plans a research project. You have a search planner agent whose job is to break down complex queries into specific search subtasks. To make this work, here's how it should be set up. It should assign a role. The AI plays the part of the research assistant, a task. It takes any user query and break it down into 10 smaller focused search tasks. Steps. First, it figure out what to search. Then it rank the search by importance, organize everything into JSON format, check dates, ranges. Finally, it wraps it all up in a short summary under 300 words. Input. The user query is wrapped in clear user query tags so that AI knows where to look. Output. The output is structured JSON with key fields like ID, query, source type, time, period, domain, priority, and date ranges. Constraints. It's avoid fluff, ignore personal opinions, and focuses only on the facts. Capabilities. It can use web search tools and in and is always aware of today's date to keep the results fresh. So what does this do in practice? It searches across different platforms, organizes the most relevant results, summarizes them in a clean, easy to read format, then send that right to me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Even though this is a single agent setup, it shows how structure and detailed context engineering can get. In bigger projects, I will split this into a multiple agents. One gather information, the other analyze and summarize it. And honestly, this is simple example. Normally, context engineer would split it into multiple agent systems. One agent search and gather data, another agent summarize and compiles results. But even in the single agent example shows how detailed the structured context engineering can get. Now, quiz number 3. What's the one way this prompt uses structure to guide AI behavior? Let's take a look at context engineering prompt. To see context engineering in action, let's look at a simplified version of the research planner agent from the prompt engineering. Let's go a bit deeper. If you want to level up your context engineering skills, you should know these advanced techniques. Writing context, letting the model store and reference notes. Selecting context, pulling only the information that matters from the large database. Compressing a context, making big instructions fit in a small window. Isolating context, splitting data from multiple agent systems. These techniques help you build scalable AI apps that are more than just demos, they are production-ready systems. In conclusion, context engineering is not just a buzzword. It is how we evolve from a simple prompt to a powerful AI applications. It's the art of designing instruction, memory, tools, and workflows so well that all the AI agents become reliable, smart, and ready for real-world applications. If this video helped you understand context engineering, hit that like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Great AI agent isn't built with clever prompts, it's built with great context engineering.